We'll show you how to take this and turn it into this. Get all the details in your Handyman magazine, including step-by-step instructions, great illustrations, details, and tips and tricks. Here's a couple of things to remember while building your pergola. Refinish all your cuts and drill holes, and refinish inaccessible surfaces before you install. Step 1 is to remove the existing handrail, balustrade, fascia and selected posts. Now plumb new post positions to the ground. Create new concrete footings at those locations. Step 2. Attach the stirrups to the posts and then fix the posts to the new footings with Galunk bolts and chemical adhesive. Now fix it to the deck bearer with cup head bolts. Step 3. Measure 2.2 metres up from the deck, set a level string line and mark the post at this position. Remove the posts and house out the seats for the beam. Be sure to refinish those cuts before you install the beam. Step 4. Create an 85mm rebate on each beam section to lap on the centre post. Clamp in position, plumb the posts and then fix with cup head bolts. Step 5. Dock the ends of your rafters at 5 degrees. Clamp your rafters together, set the base plate of your saw to a 5-degree angle and make 2 cuts to create a notch for the rafters to sit in the ledger beam. Don't forget to refinish those cuts. Step 6. Cut those ledger beams to length, allowing a 100mm overlap. Make the rebate for the overlap, refinish it, and then fix in place with coach head screws. Step 7. Set out and number the rafters, marking their positions on the front and back beam. Step 8. Use these marks to make a jig, and then use that jig to cut the profile on the end of each rafter. Step 9 is to clamp the rafters back in place and fix with 2 gal batten screws at either end. Now measure a 600mm overhang on your first and last rafter, spring a chalk line in between and cut the rafters off plumb in that position. Step 10. Fix the battens in place with gal batten screws, dock beams and battens with a 65mm overhang. Step 11. Refit the deck fascias, house out the post positions on the new handrails, fit the new handrails including the new brace screwed from below. Finish off with 2 coats of premium acrylic paint. Finally, refit the wire balustrade through screw eyes on the outside of the posts. And that's it, job done. All that remains to do now is to get hold of a mate and kick back with a well earned.